to
Sleep Diana. Hey guys, so today we're going to be opening up packages with my mom. She's not ready to get the camera yet because she thinks she's bad looking, but she's actually good looking. Come on, open packages. My mom is yeah.
painting stuff. I think so, yeah. It's not a nail paint, but yeah, it's a painting stuff.
I got my
Oh,
gum.
I got two of them.
I got my gum.
Do you think you got toys today?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, I'm so excited for that.
This is for my mom's face.
What else we got today?
It's on
Oh,
my favorite.
yeah, that's your favorite.
The list about. Now, we have Froggy. So we got another lotion for mommy's face. I think we got a toy today.
Do you think we got a toy today?
I think so.
Let's see.
My favorite.
You excited? Did you get a toy?
I think
What's
so.
that?
Let's open it and see.
Okay, let me surprise.
It's a surprise.
What is that? Thing. Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Do you smell that? It smells like tuna today, right guys?
Maybe they can smell it on the camera.
No, but no. But they can still can if they'll go and heal this house.
What's inside? Oh, this is a big, really a huge box. So I'm wondering what is inside. Artificial. It's pretty big for $2. It's artificial plant.
Oh, good thing this is not. Good thing this is not break
Can you
now.
have it? Hmm.
Yeah, it's a good deal. Didn't see that guy that almost fell down.
Be careful. Okay, next. This is Skechers. Well, it's something like man's sandal with strap. I'm definitely giving it to my dad because yeah, this is good for him.
Yeah. Bye-bye. This.
I think this is
It's a bathroom cleaner. A planter. You already know what it is, so we cannot open it yet, but we already know what it is, guys.